Good morning, my online entrepreneurs, my Facebook people. How you doing today? It is beautiful. We're having a sunny day here in California, and I look so forward to talking to you this morning. Today is a fabulous day, and do me a favor when you come in. Please let me know where you're coming from and who you are. I would love to hear from you, be able to give you a shout out. I'm so excited to be here to share something wonderful with you. Oh my God. I have to share with you in my last video, I was having a rough time. I was in such a dark place that I went to a pity party, Negativeville, low self-esteem avenue. I was traveling all in the wrong places, y'all. And all the things that were coming out of my mouth is not something that I would teach on, I usually teach positivity, inspirational stuff, motivational, but I was not feeling that yesterday. Woo! So I was on my knees praying, Lord, give me the peace that surpasses understanding. But today I was in training with one of my favorite all-time mentors, Steve Rachel. Thank you, Steve. He was dropping some nuggets today between him and my and God giving me that peace and inspiration. God brought him to me. He shared something that was phenomenal. And guess what? I'm about to share with you. I'm about to share what he shared in this training with you. Man, you are in for a treat. So do this. Go to a place where you're not distracted. Get your pen and paper. Get ready to take some notes. This is going to just blow you out of the water. It's going to look at yourself differently, look at your business differently, look at yourself as an entrepreneur different, and you're going to be amazed. You are going to be amazed. Are you ready? I always forget to introduce myself before I do. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gigi with Success with GigiLee.com. I am a social media marketing strategist, as well as learning skills and resources and building my brand. I love to teach other people. I love to come on here, do these Facebook Lives to either encourage, inspire, or teach you something that you can utilize in your business so that you could be successful, right? And we all need that. We all need to be connected with something that can help us build our business because we can't do it on our own. So what I like to do is share with you a system that has helped so many online marketers go from 0 to 6, 7, 8 figure incomes, go from broke to riches, go from working for somebody else to living life on their terms and having financial freedom and time freedom. If you want to know what that system is, guess what? I'm going to be giving you a trial. So stay to the end of this video and I will give you the website so that you can go there for less than $10. You get to look at the resources, the tools that other successful online marketers use that have caused them to have such great success and that you could utilize in your business. Okay. So you ready? You got your pen and paper? Because I'm going to share 5 tips to help you when learning a new marketing skill. Okay. Ready. So number 1, you want to break up what you're trying to learn. Write everything down on what it is that takes to be a master at that skill. So I'm referring to my notes, right? So for example, I'm learning, not trying to learn, but I am learning a new skill, webinar marketing. Okay. So I got the course. I went through the course. Now all I have to do is implement it. That's the scary part. The learning it is easy, but the implementing is hard because you're afraid that the outcome is not going to be the way you want it to be. And in this training, I learned that you don't have to worry about that. Because what I was taught in this training is that what you want to do is, like, when you're learning a new skill, first of all, just choose one marketing skill to master. The key word here is master. You want to master it. And then as far as your mindset goes, you want to know that you could do this. So you want to break it down like into small pieces, like, you know, the old quote, you can't eat an elephant in one bite, or what is the question is, how do you eat an elephant in small bites? Okay. So you want to break down whatever you're deciding to learn. May it be Facebook marketing, may it be Instagram, may it be pay per click, you know, may it be solo ads, may it be, you know, how to bring in leads, whatever marketing strategy, blogging, or webinars, putting together your own webinars, whatever it is, you want to break it down little by little, okay? And then take action, put it into action. Number 2, commit yourself to learning. You have to be all in. So you want to commit yourself to learning. You want to be all in, and you want to be consistent, okay? So when I'm learning this, even though, you know, when you're learning something new, you're kind of a little fearful because you've never done it before. You don't know how the outcome is going to be. So you definitely, no matter what, you want to commit yourself to taking action, and you want to be consistent, okay? So let's move on to number 3. Define what it means to master the skill, and what would it be like? So define in yourself. Now, this is the mental part of it. You know, you're learning the skill. You want to define, give a definition to what does it mean to you to master that skill? Does it mean that you're going to be getting more leads? Does it mean that your business is going to grow when you master the skill? Does it mean you're going to have more notoriety? You know, in your mind, put down what it means to master that skill. Okay, so let's move on to number 4. This is kind of ties into number 3. Number 4 kind of like goes hand in hand with step number 3. Visualize yourself already having mastered the marketing skill. What does that feel like? You know, like, close your eyes and ask yourself, you know, see yourself already in the future. You've already mastered it. What does that feel like? You know, imagine yourself in it. And does it feel good? Are you training people? Do you see yourself training people? Do you see yourself, other people benefiting from your ability to have mastered that marketing skill? See yourself there. The thing is that it may seem simple, but these exercises that we do with our mind, you know, we psych ourselves out, is very, very powerful when we imagine ourselves to be already in the position that we want to be in. You know, do you see yourself being on stage and teaching people and talking to people about how you went from point A to point B in the mastery of the marketing system? Okay, so moving on. Sorry about that, my phone just rang. So moving on to, last but not least, number 5. Be confident, but also be humble. Be confident when you're mastering the skill and you're getting it down and you're seeing results and you're growing and you're being recognized and people know you and you're helping people and money is coming in. You want to be confident, but at the same time, you want to be humble. Because no matter how much success we receive, no matter how much results we get, no matter how well known we may be known in the online marketing arena, we still want to be humble and be open to learning new things, because we never arrive. We always are learning, because there's always new things out there to learn, and you always want to be growing. They said once you stop learning, you start dying. So you guys, I really hope that helped you, and I want to share this one last thing with you. You want to be patient, you want to be confident, and you want to be consistent. Once again, my name is Gigi with successwithgigilee.com. Get your hands on the online marketing trial system that we're offering that's going to help you grow your business. You're going to be introduced to so many systems and so many trainings, step-by-step trainings. We have coaching, all that you need, a system that you need in the business that you're currently in now. So you don't have to quit your business that you're in now, but you definitely need to have a system that will allow you to hone your skill as an online entrepreneur, so that you could be in the place that you want to be, so that you could live the life that you want to live, so that you can have that time freedom, have that financial freedom. So go to successwithgg, the letter G twice.com /academy. Grab your trial, which is less than $10. Look around. And also, once you get your trial, come to my Facebook page, my Facebook fan page, Success with Gigi, and leave me a comment and let me know that you got the trial. I will contact you, and then what I want to do is help put together a funnel page for you that will help allow you to, one, build your team, build your business, and two, brand yourself. Okay, so I'm throwing that in for free, okay, for less than $10, y'all. So go to successwithgg, the letter G twice.com /academy. Okay, so I wish you great success. Thank you for allowing me in your space, and I will see you next time. Ciao, y'all. Have a good one.